conceptual and theoretical frameworks are concepts used in the report, well defined and accordant with theory. The framework is the framework in the study specific to occupational therapy or not, take from another field or not, is dynamic model of occupation or COPM or POP or CAWA model, or maybe from SI, or maybe from theory of development related about children, about growth, human development. Did the framework inform the research method used in the study or not? If it guide to be what we call the method, is the best way because it can fit and align with the method. Is the relationship between study finding and the framework discussed in the report. Is project to the finding when now, even though you didn't done, but it might be guess and foresee for the future. When you finish, it's linked together. This is under the conceptual framework or under the theoretical framework. The result is under, not. Okay? This is the relationship. It's very good way. It's relevant, coherent together. Have a look here. You can see occupation-based has the use of occupation as both the mean and end for intervention. You know what this is? This is the concept, right? It's the mean and end concept. Utilize meaningful and purposeful. It means that craft activity is one kind of insight. Is one kind of the tool activity based on the client or not. It might be ADL. We use craft activities. Might be IADL. Might be recreation activity or social activity or not. But still located occupation, because occupation is not just ADL, right? Propose the craft can be meaning and joy to client session, reinforce memory, express the personal trait, and craft can help client achieve their goal. Therapeutic craft is relevant to Thai socio-cultural context. This is why based on the client, right? Occupation can be justified cultural specific. The aim of study, you can see, go to the aim already. This study is to explore the use of therapeutic craft related to meaningful occupation of clients with schizophrenia. They find out what is the meaningful occupation. But occupation inside is craft activity. Schizophrenia patient. And this is aim, right? Objective is like bullet point, or you use 1, 2, 3, or number 1. Assess the value important in craft activity related to meaningful occupation. Second, identify facilitator and barrier during engagement in craft and occupation. This is why it is phenomenon. During the experience, facilitator and barrier during the engagement. This is like intervention media or therapeutic media. At mental health hospital, when they engage in hospital, what's about their perspective, what about their experience, okay? This is why it's very important. Method is protection of participant right. The method is you need to support or underpin by ethic. You need to be think about ethic. Ethic help you to be this true. It do harm for the client or not, do harm for the participant or not. Protect you as well, protect researcher as well, protect the participant as well. Research design, sample and setting, data and tech collection. And in method is enhance the trustworthiness. We go inside, have a look. First, ethics. Don't be scared about the ethics. Ethics help you, the group of experts, in terms of think about the security, think about is taking risk of the participant. They help you, support you. What the study review and approved by the ethics committee such as IRB, CMU-IRB, MU-IRB is approved or not. If it's not approved, don't do the research. You don't have a right to do. It's wrong. Nobody accept about this research if it's not past the ethics. Even though systematic review is secondary research, you need ethics, okay? You need ethics. Ethics might just only example or kind of exemption is not full board. If you involve with the human or participant, go to full board. Full board have many reviewer. Okay, and after that you need to correct, follow with the review with the committee or the reviewer of the ethic. Take time because you need to spend the time for the reviewer of ethic review your research proposal before go to the field work or research site. Okay, this is why it's very important. This the study cause any physical harm, is do no harm or not, make client discomfort or not, make client or participant psychological distress or not to participant. If it's okay about wording, make them cry or not, build their emotional to be detached or not. Okay, something is very hard to control. How to you solve the problem? They check about the ethic about this and security of the client. If you build something, try to interview with sorry, prostitute about rape, maybe they cry. It's very sensitive, right? What measure work taken to minimize or prevent harm participant? If how to make very few or minimize, even though wording, semi-structured interview or auto-structured, make some what we call strong word to hit the emotion or not. Okay, did the benefit of study outweigh any potential trick experienced by participant or not? Did the benefit in the future is finished, it may be taking risk for them or not, or identify them or not. Nobody knows. Now we got PDPA already. Need to be what we call confidentiality or anonymous, or use a pseudonym, use a new name, not use Sorasak or Apishaya. Make Gil to be Jenny, make Sorasak to be Nikun. It look like that. It's make a new name, represent a new word. Don't identify to be Apishaya, don't identify to be Sorasak. To protect about confidentiality. Okay. Did the benefit to society justify of the cost to participant? When you finish, is benefit for the society or not in terms of the cost to participant? This is the ethic. The ethic is approved by institutional review board, Department of Mental Health, Ministry of Public Health. That is the code of the number of code. And Mahidol University Central Institutional Reviewer Board, MUCIRB 2018, and this is the number. If you didn't receive about this, don't allow you to correct your data. Okay, I know them. No, that is just only your talking, not about your research. Okay, ethics. Were participant recruit use any form of coercion or impromptu influence? You use about your what we call influence, nominate them to be a participant or not. Don't use the power or something dictate them. Because I am a head of department of this, I do this research. Okay, take that client for me to be participant. No. Were they able to decline and withdraw? They have a right to decline and withdraw. I don't want to join. They can have a right, don't want to join. Okay, or does not join the research. Join just only 2 times, and the third time I cannot join. Up to them. Okay, were participants given inadequate information and opportunity to give informed consent? We need to give informed consent for make as for sign. Okay, someone cannot make a sign, but cannot give signature. You can use fingerprint. If deal with children, talk with their parents first. If their parents don't allow, you cannot do the research. Okay, in some people cannot know about the cannot read, illiteracy, right? We need to another one. What about their relative, allow or not? Okay, were measures taken to protect the privacy of participant or confidentiality or not? We need to keep about their privacy. Cannot identify, protect them. Cannot open in the public or on Facebook. Cannot take picture. Even though take picture, you put in the just only in the research paper or in the book. Use about blind if they allow, right? Cannot show in social media. You need to be protect about identification of the participant. This is the basis of the researcher need to understand. Okay, if valuable population look like LGBT or people got HIV or something, people is vulnerable, or people prisoner in the jail were include study, were additional safeguard put in place or not. You got to be a safeguard for them or not. You interview with the prey from the rape, victim of the rape. You need to just protect. You need to protect them from the safeguard. If you identify them in the public, what's going on, right? Some social media, some mainstream media sometimes do a long thing. You can see, for example, Lumpon and Lumpon story. Don't keep everything to be about open on screen and what going on. Make something change. Were any group excluded from the study without valid reasoning or not? Group excluded from study without valid. Some participants cannot join the research. It's not valid. What going on? We need to how to engage with them. Why it cannot go inside, even though they willing to join already. Okay, how to respond them. Okay, this is the ethic in part of method. Why it's very important set in the first. And this is the key man of the method research design and tradition. Is qualitative research tradition for the study clear identify qualitative research tradition. What kind of or generic qualitative or descriptive qualitative research, ethnographics, grounded theory? You need to talk what kind of research, or participatory action research, or just only action research. Is the research question consists with both qualitative approach and specific research tradition. Research question is probe to find about the answer or not. Are the data sought? We're gonna go to grab or correct it, draw it, is relevant with research method, analytical approach or not, and align with the traditional or research tradition or not. In previous time, they do like this, tradition do like this. Okay, is the research design is well described or well explained or not? Is relevant, is coherent together or not? The design choice explain and justify. We take it and we give it the research design. We use about this phenomenology and we use thematic analysis. We use this way is relevant together in terms of research question, in terms of insight. It's gonna go smooth way or not, and keep justifying. This is phenomena. This is narrative. This is grounded. Grounded. We need to find out about the knowledge from the participant and ground. Look at a build of knowledge. Presumably how to use the way for help make about what we call diabetes by use the way in the community in rural area. They might have a local knowledge. You find something, you know they got herb, samunpai, but how to use them in terms of qualitative. You need to use grounded way to probe it, to find, explore it. Okay.